How you doing? How you thriving out there? Okay, so I'm back today and I have quite the video for you. No, I don't. I just want to say thank you for the last recent video that I posted. I know my channel's been going downhill. You know, that's expected because like, who wants to watch a crazy woman? Anyways, I feel great because I had some sleep last night. Oops, I forgot the stuff. Hold on, let's go together. My apartment is still very it's a mess in here. It's fine. You don't have to deal with the mess. In this box, guys, look. Let's not waste energy. I say that, but then I leave my fairy lights on 24/7. Oh my gosh, Faye. You're obviously a mess and it shows. Just ignore my hair for now. Do you know what I have with me? Some BLACKPINK hair dye with me. So if you don't know, BLACKPINK actually collaborated with Hello Bubble. And Hello Bubble, I think they used to work with, or maybe they still do, I don't know, Girls' Day. I remember being in like a store in Korea in Seoul Station. I was waiting for my friends to come so we can go to Jeonju. I even vlogged this. I was like, oh my god, BLACKPINK has hair dye? Like, what the hell? You know, when you're in America, you don't really like catch on that quick because like America's a slow country and like, no offense, we're really behind and like I didn't know that BTS, whoops. My brain is consumed of BTS. I didn't know that BLACKPINK actually collabed with Hello Bubble. And then YESSTYLE, which you can use my code for like 10% off, I think. That code is just for you. On YESSTYLE, they do carry some of the Hello Bubble BLACKPINK hair dyes. Unfortunately, not all the colors. The only colors they had, from what I saw, were these two. I bought 2 of each because I thought I had a lot of hair, but like I forgot that I'm pretty bald. Goodness, my sister's gonna storm me. Let's just wait.
Go.
Are you gonna go to sleep? Yeah. Okay, bye. There's no hair on my head. So I got 2 for no reason. Like, seriously. Like, honestly, I don't really want to go for either color, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. So this is the Lisa color. This is the Jennie color. This hair color is dark. Literally my roots. So let's just have a little talk. My current hair right now is amazing. Except for the fact that it looks the opposite of amazing. My hair has grown so much. I was reliant on extensions for a whole year last year. The ones that are glued to your head. However, I have an amazing hairstylist. I go to her all the time. Check her Instagram if you ever have questions about hair. She's very talented and very smart with her talent in her career. For a whole year, we've been working to get my hair healthier. It has so much breakage. My hair was freaking damaged and dry and nasty. I didn't comb my hair yet. It's been 2 days. But yeah, so I told her that I was gonna do this. And if anything goes wrong, then you know, like, I'm sorry. So do I go solo? I think I'm gonna hit that today. No hate, but like Jennie, you're kind of boring. I mean her hair color in this photo is pretty boring. Lisa has at least color in her hair. I feel really bad because like my hair girl, she actually like took her freaking time to go all around my head to make my roots blend into my color without like it looking like a bowl cut. So today we are going for this color called Deep Bordeaux. So before we actually go and dye my hair, I know I talk a lot, but like just calm down. I'm gonna give away some K-pop concert tickets. If you are a fan of Kook, I remember seeing them at KCON, but I don't remember how to pronounce their name. They are having a US tour at the end of February into March. So if you want to go to the concert during these dates and places, I have 2 listen Linda, VIP tickets. I'm sorry, but there's only going to be 1 winner for you and a friend. So the rules are you just have to go to my Instagram and find this photo and then comment down below. Comment which city you'd like to win the tickets for, and you need to put down a valid email address so then my music taste can contact you if you win. I'm gonna announce the winner 1 week away from the post on my IG stories, so make sure you follow me as well on Instagram. So with that being said, let's just jump into the video now. The first thing we have to do is change our shirts. I mean shirt. But this was a Miss A tour shirt. Oh, I found one. Let's just change into that. We going with Lisa who? You're gonna have competition. So if you've ever been in my bathroom, which there's a fan, just deal with that. I'll try to speak louder so you can hear me, but it's kind of annoying to be honest. I'm gonna take you down. I just don't want to get my door. Beauty good mode. We're gonna cook our hair because our hair is essential. Rocking the new look for 2019. It's called the box hair. I'm really nervous. I am not put together. Like my life is in pieces. I look at all these different colors, but no. Say you do not deserve choices. Beauty guru mode. You get a little pump. This is to pump out all the haters. Then you get a little Hello Bubble foam color. This is obviously to dye your hair. There's this little pack that's in all Korean. I'm illiterate, but we'll figure it out because seeing is believing. We have directions. We have some gloves to protect. Always use protection, guys. And then we have these little things. This is called voguing, and I'm trained. Let's move on. So in this little Ziploc, I'm not sure why it's in a Ziploc, to be honest. It's kind of like unexpected. They're not gloves. I mean, I'm pretty sure there are gloves in here. But it's basically a trash bag. Very necessary. Okay, let's see if there's Angus. No Angus? I'll be right back. I'm gonna look up the directions online. Oh my god, it's so easy. We should do it before. So you basically have these 3 packages. There is a serum that comes with the box, but this will be for later, so don't worry about that. Just put that to the side, the floor, between your butt crack. Just tuck it in. Basically what you want to do is just put these 2 into this. It's like a bubbly foam. You shouldn't smell it so much. I'm gonna get lightheaded. Open this. Try wear gloves. I'll be alright. You should probably use a scissor. Just close your eyes and see? It's not that deep. Follow my voice. You just want to pour it in. It looks like that. Take this and do the same thing basically. You should really use a scissor. So this looks more like a gel consistency. Beauty guru mode on. So now that we have all the contents into that bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my uniform. It's like specially designed just for me. You know, I told my stylist to find something that will match me, my personality, embody who I really am, my morals and values, and what I stand for. So she made me this. It's a trash bag, a bib trash bag. Make sure it like chokes you a little. You should probably get your hair out of the way. We look like a floating head. This is what I'm wearing to the music awards to receive my album of the year. The last touch to our outfit is definitely gloves. If you want my stylist to design and send you these gloves, make sure to click my Patreon down below. So this is the final look. I just want to thank all of you guys who really supported me. I can't believe I just received this award for album of the year. It's been a long time since I've been working on my music and like having my braces on. One last thank you is to BLACKPINK. They mentored me throughout the whole year, and that's why I have this award with me right now. It's not easy being me. That's all I have to say. I just can't. I think it's time that we focus. Apparently you want to flip this horizontally and shake it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 13, 20, 21. It's a phone. You should definitely put this on and then shake. Please. It's okay. We're doing great. You're doing great, honey. Oops. So I was supposed to shake it like this. It's kind of late for this, huh? This is going great. Shouldn't I part my hair? No. In the photos, she didn't part her hair. I'm gonna follow the picture directions now. So I just do this and just keep going. It smells like the sea. This is stupid. I should have totally parted my hair. Oh, I should have parted my hair. Whatever. I'm kind of screwed. I mean, I kind of like how it's foam. I'm already like halfway done because like I have no hair, remember? I feel like nothing's coated. This ain't it, Chief. What if this like didn't even coat anything? You know what? Let's be positive. Just know that we're gonna slay regardless. We'll be fine. Ooh, this is gonna look so good, girlfriend. Is this how tall people see me? That's great. We're not gonna be solo after this. Like, everyone's gonna be in our DMs. Jenny and Kai who? I only know Faye and T. Lisa, you don't know who I am. Actually, like literally you don't know who I am. But like I'm coming for your brand, Lisa. Just kidding, I love you. Little Lisa. Just kind of want to massage it in. Redheads who? I only know Faye. I don't know why I'm throwing so much shade when like this is a disaster. I'm being confident to hide my fears. It's a tactic you should try. Just promise me, regardless of how I look, you guys are going to stay with me. You see so much product left? Wow. You don't expect a lot of foam to be coming out of this thing. If I were a boy. It kind of looks like I went inside you, pulled out all your like lungs, intestines, kidney, gallbladders, a few of your K-pop albums in your stomach. So yeah, after 20 minutes, I'm gonna go shower. I'm using my vlog camera right now, and it's been about like 40-50 minutes. Let's just do it. Okay, so I took a shower and did my skincare routine as you guys saw, and now it's time for the big reveal. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it looks like nothing happened. I mean, the good thing is this hair dye doesn't stain. Earlier I was looking a lot like Elvis, but right now I'm looking a lot like myself. Okay, you kind of see the color. Let's blow dry my hair and put the serum in, and then we can talk. Interesting. Okay, we have one last step, and that is the perfect serum treatment. Not sure if I was supposed to do this while my hair was wet. Ooh, I don't think this is supposed to go in your hair raw. I'm gonna skip this. Can we just ignore what I just did? Thanks. We should do an after. I don't really know how I feel about this. It's just been a long time since I've seen my hair like black, so it's kind of hard for me to understand. To be fair though, I kind of miss dark hair. For the most part, my hair looks nothing like this color. I mean, Lisa is not shaking. Lisa's kneecaps are not quaking right now. She's like, Faye who? I did have brown hair and the color just is not there. I don't have to be a color magician, but I know that these two colors are not the same. I don't know, maybe it's my lighting. If I turn this way, see, this is the color I think that's in my hair. Maybe because I'm not in natural lighting, it's just, it looks black right now. It's been a long time since I had dark hair and it looks so weird on me. I kind of like it though, but I look kind of emo. If my hair was this color, dude, catch me outside who? Just kidding. I'm gonna get freaking dragged. Let me put on some like softer clothes so I won't get like a burn rash on my back when you drag me. Siri. Yes. How to look like Lisa? Oh bless. Check. Pretty much there. Guess nothing can really help me. Okay. Maybe I'll insert some clips where my hair is like in the sun. Okay, so oh my god, it's like second day now, and I really like it actually. I miss dark hair. I think it makes me look, one, slimmer, two, it frames my face better, and my hair looks thicker. So I really like this color. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed me trying out the BLACKPINK Hello Bubble hair dye. I am going to link the products down below, and again, use my code on YESSTYLE to get 10% off. Let me know if you guys want to see me try more K-pop products. It's a mood on this channel, so best believe it's gonna keep going. Don't forget to subscribe to join the Lisa Linda fam or the Faye Bay fam. I don't know what you want to be called at this point, Linda, so you tell me. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye! Lisa has left the chat.